who is staying at your hotel.
Good evening. May I ask who is calling?
I prefer to remain anonymous. I need some information about a specific guest. Can you provide me with the room number and how long they will be staying?
I apologize, but I am unable to disclose any personal information about our guests without their consent. It is against our hotel's privacy policy to share such details.
I understand your policy, but this is a matter of urgency. I assure you, I have a legitimate reason for needing this information.
I'm sorry, but I cannot make any exceptions. Our guests' privacy and security are top priorities. If you have any concerns or messages for the guests, I would be happy to assist in delivering them.
This is frustrating. I really need to get in touch with this guest. Is there any way you can help me?
I apologize for any inconvenience caused, but I cannot disclose any information without proper authorization. If it's an emergency, I suggest contacting the local authorities who can assist you further.
Fine. I understand your position. Thank you for your time.
You're welcome. If you have any other questions or if there's anything else I can assist you with, please let me know. Good morning, sir. How may I help you today?
Good morning. I stayed at this hotel about a month ago. I believe I left my camera in my room. I come to see if it was found.
I apologize for the inconvenience, sir. Let me check our lost and found records to see if your camera was turned in. May I have your name and the approximate date of your stay?
My name is Julito Pagara, and I stayed here from April 15 to April 20.
Thank you, Mr. Julito. Please allow me a moment to search our database. I have checked our records and am pleased to inform you that a camera was indeed found in your room during the specified dates. Can you provide a description of the camera to confirm its ownership?
Of course, it's a black DSLR camera with a silver lens, and there is a small scratch on the bottom.
Thank you for this description, Mr. Julito. It matches the camera we have in our possession. As per our hotel's policy, we require some identification and proof stay to claim the lost item. May I see your identification and a copy of your original reservation or receipt?
Here's my ID.
Thank you, Mr. Julito. I will make a copy of these documents for our records. Please sign this form acknowledging that you are claiming the camera. Thank you for your cooperation, Mr. Julito. Here's your camera. We apologize for any inconvenience caused or the loss, and we appreciate your understanding.
I appreciate your assistance. Thank you for taking care of my camera.
You're welcome, Mr. Julito. If you have any further questions or if there's anything else I can assist you, please feel free to ask.
Thank you so much, sir.
Good morning, ma'am. Seems like you are looking for something. Do you mind if I'll ask what was it so that I can help you?
Oh, good morning. It's absolutely nothing. I was just trying to look around and find something interesting. Maybe it could help me to make decisions if I'll stay here or not.
Are you sure about it, ma'am?
Yes, I'm sure about it. Anyways, thanks for your kindness. I appreciate it.
No worries, ma'am. It is my duty to assist people who is in need. and it would be my biggest pleasure if I can help people with anything they need.
Fantastic. I'd better get going now. I apologize if my behavior have taken your time. Thanks again.
You're always welcome, ma'am. If you finally have your decision, don't hesitate to reach us. We will be happy to hear something about you. Keep safe.